I am Cyprian Alteno, better known as Spring. I had the Spring Bakery by the bridge, by the Connery's Bridge.
This used to be a popular spot in canneries, so popular that Spring's bread was being sold in supermarkets and exported to Martinique. Until December 24, 2013, when what became known as the Christmas Eve Trough overflowed the riverbanks and destroyed everything on the ground floor in the famed Springs Bakery.
I never thought the water would come so high up to the ceiling. So all the staff and I had to leave the place, run for our life that day. The trough put me out of business because my whole bakery got damaged by the trough. So up to now I am still there, struggling, trying to see if I can start back. Well, that's one of the ovens, a rotating oven where you can just push a whole rack of bread in.
Some of the equipment was salvaged, but is left out in the open.
Up to now I am just struggling, waiting to see if I can get a place to start my business. That's the reason why it is in that state now. This piece of equipment at that time will cost about $50,000.
Others still to be repaired after the storm. And more equipment is housed here, a temporary location granted by a friend.
That's another thing.
It will cost thousands of dollars to get the equipment serviced and running again.
The price the fella asked to repair the mixer, $11,000. I left the mixer for him. Well, I lose mostly everything. Only some of the damaged ovens and some of the mixers I got, but mostly everything.
The tale of recovery is heartbreaking.
It is very hard because I have been trying my best. Different agencies have promised me help. Government have come and go, and things the same way. So that's the spot I bought from a relative of mine. With the money I told you I had to deposit on the loan. So I bought this. And I tried to build that, but I don't have any more money to start the bakery back.
The dream of the return of Springs Bakery is still alive. This piece of land was purchased for the new location for Springs Bakery. The Member of Parliament, Dominique Fede, provided some assistance in building the foundation. But doors of opportunities remain shut.
I have tried my best, as you saw, with the little money I had. But right now, I am at a standstill.